engineering makes it easy for students to build and explore control systems. In this lesson, students dive into open-loop systems, or control systems that depend entirely on human input. To get started, head to spherocentral.com. Click the Blueprint tab, select Lessons, and open the Control Systems collection. Here, you'll find how the lesson aligns with educational standards, the associated teacher guide and lesson slides, and a student handout and build instructions. Start the lesson by distributing the student handout and using the prompts in the teacher guide to lead a discussion about inputs, outputs, and control systems. Next, students will construct the spinning machine. Make sure to review the settings for the motor bit. It should be set to velocity positive mode. Give students time to explore the spinning desk sculpture. Prompt them to explore the 1:5 gear ratio in the system, making the spinning sculpture spin at 5 times the rate of the motor. Turning the dial on the rotary potentiometer in the opposite direction sends the opposite signal and switches the motor to velocity negative mode. Continue to guide students through the handout. Identify the input and output, and ask how this sculpture models an open loop system. Let students experiment with different arm lengths and weights. Ask them to observe how the mass and length of the arms affect how the arms swing out from the side of the sculpture and the sculpture's spinning rate. Next, show students how to remove the sculpture from the build. Then, give students 10 to 15 minutes to design and prototype their own spinning sculptures. Finally, have students share their spinning sculptures. As a class, identify how the control system affects the output of different student inventions.